All right, this is a video of the Baggy Lab they are doing in class. When you see that Baggy Lab, I'm going to send you a sheet that's going to have partial information on it, so you'd have some people's results. But here's what they're doing. They're starting off, they're doing this overall reaction where they're going to mix some calcium chloride. Okay, this calcium chloride, it's used on gravel roads to stop dust. It's also the salt they put on roads in the winter to stop the roads from freezing, to melt snow and ice. Some baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. Okay, baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, so it'd be called sodium bicarbonate on the sheet. Calcium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and some phenol red. Okay, phenol red, which has water in it. That's important to know. So this stuff has water in it as well. So we're gonna I put a little bit of baking soda in this baggie. I put some calcium chloride. I put some phenol red. I'm gonna put some more water. Okay, again, there's water in phenol red, so I am not changing things a whole lot. I'm going to seal it up. And we're going to shake it up a little bit. Okay, so mix those things up. Notice right away the first thing you see is it goes from red to yellow. Other thing you see is a gas being produced. Okay, your baggie's filling up. I sometimes can get the baggie to burst. I don't think I got enough chemical in there to probably make it burst this time. So our color change to yellow. Baggie is filling up with gas, getting fuller and fuller and fuller. Actually, this one could possibly burst. I also feel, on the back of my hand, it felt cold at first, and now it feels hot. So I actually felt two different temperature changes occur. A cold one and a hot one. I'm going to release this so it doesn't get all over the place. I've had enough of them burst, which I like to do in class, but not right now. Okay. So there were four different things we saw that could be a chemical reaction, okay, or that are indications there might be a chemical reaction. We had a color change, which sometimes indicates there's a chemical reaction, yellow in this case. A gas produced, which oftentimes lets you know there's a chemical reaction. And there were two temperature changes. It got colder and then it got hotter as we're going through there. So what the students are doing, they're going to do that overall reaction of the baggie. And then they got to figure out what chemicals do you mix to make it get hotter? What chemicals do you mix to make it get colder? What chemicals do you mix to make it get yellow? And what chemicals do you mix to produce a gas? So they got to figure out which four they did. So then they start mixing. Hey, what's up? I'm just making a video. Hang on. I don't, not in here. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. So they can mix any chemicals they want to mix and see what happens. And they do those in a beaker. So I'm not going to show you all the mixtures they could do. Okay, they typically do 7 or 8 different mixtures, but one of the things they might do is take a little calcium chloride, put in the beaker, and take a little sodium bicarbonate, put it in there, and see if there's a reaction. Well, put those together. I don't feel a temperature change. There's no gas produced, and it did not turn yellow. So again, we're looking for what causes hot, what causes cold, what causes yellow, what causes a gas. So the sheet I send you is going to have some things on it. That's the first one. So what it shows is that, okay, we tried this with this, and our result was nothing happened. Okay. So now let's say I add in some water to that. Okay, now any reaction that happens with phenol red could be the phenol red causing it, or it could be the water in the phenol red. So they always, whenever something happens with phenol red, they got to try it with water because it could be the water in the phenol red. So let's try adding water to that. So now we have calcium chloride, baking soda, and water. If we look here, there's a gas produced. So those three chemicals produce a gas. There is a little temperature change, not much though. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so if we look here on the sheet, then I have done that one at some point in time in here. I did sodium bicarbonate. Nope, it's the very last one. Sodium bicarbonate. Nope, it's not the very last one. Yeah, it is. Sorry. Calcium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and water produced a gas. So that's what produces the gas. So you kind of know that one right now. So you're gonna look at this. Look at this sheet. I will send it to you, or I guess you could use this and just use one that's on there, but you got to figure out which combinations caused which thing. So remember, you're just following the little chart there and figuring that out. Not quite like doing the lab, but somewhat similar. So you are going to, you don't have to do anything on the front of this. You just need to answer the questions that are on the back side of it. Okay, just those on the back. Thank you. Have a good day.